Yeah, Daddy doesn't need it anymore.
Thank you. Hey, not that one.
Are you want me to press record?
I already hit it.
Oh, you did too.
Can I have that? Thank you. Ready? Hold this. I'll hold it, you hit it. Ready? Do you know what to do? Because I don't.
Right here as well. Can you see that? Yes, you can. Look at you go, baby boy!
You do that side, I'll do this side.
Yeah, teamwork. So why did you take one to put back on?
Oh yeah.
What's wrong?
I just doing it wrong. I'm saying, oh yeah.
Imagine at the dead center there was an orange one for when you turn it. So it has lights.
That's exactly what we're gonna
It
be
is
doing.
trying to grab the key stick too.
Alright. Moment of truth. Hell yeah. I'm just gonna have to see how bright that is, but that looks pretty bright. And then high beams. This is the high beam. That's pretty cool. Normal driving lights. We got the emergency lights that only work when I have them on the negative, which I still need to mount this. I think I'll mount it right here. And that's it. Shocks are on. Lights are on. I still need to do a little bit of measuring, but basically this is an old trailer that I've had for a while now. I wanted to sell it like 4 years ago. No one wanted to buy it when it was like, you know, didn't have any of this rust or anything. No one wanted to buy it for even like $500, so I ended up keeping it. And now what we're gonna do with it, because I have no use for it, we're gonna cut the walls off it, and we're gonna see if we can fit that bad boy on top of it. Now I've already done a little bit of measuring. We're gonna have to take the wheels off when it's on the trailer. But yeah, basically I wanna be able to tow that buggy with this thing. And once we get rid of the walls and we modify the fenders, and yeah, we'll see. This thing is got no use, and if it doesn't have a use, it's gonna get scrapped. So if we can make it haul that thing, then we're not gonna waste this thing. And it's already like got a road rego, so there's really no point scrapping this thing. But yeah, that's gonna be cool. We have to start it, don't we? Yeah, we have to start it. We can't finish the video and not have a start. Can't wait to drive it again.